Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Today we're exploring Passbolt, a robust and innovative platform designed to revolutionize password management for individuals and teams. Located at passbolt.com, Passbolt offers a fresh perspective on safeguarding your sensitive login credentials. Unlike traditional password managers that rely on centralized servers, Passbolt employs end-to-end encryption, ensuring that only you and your authorized team members can decipher stored passwords. This core principle of data privacy significantly enhances security, mitigating the risk of large-scale breaches that can compromise user data. The platform is particularly well-suited for collaborative environments, empowering teams to securely share and manage passwords for shared accounts and resources. Imagine seamlessly granting and revoking access to critical logins without the cumbersome process of manually updating passwords. Passbolt streamlines this workflow, providing a secure and efficient solution for teams of all sizes. From small startups to larger organizations, Passbolt adapts to meet the unique needs of various collaborative structures. Passbolt's commitment to open-source principles further reinforces its dedication to transparency and security. By allowing community scrutiny of its code base, Passbolt fosters trust and ensures continuous improvement. This open-source approach also empowers users to customize and adapt the platform to their specific requirements, providing a level of flexibility rarely found in proprietary password management solutions. Beyond shared password management, Passbolt offers a comprehensive suite of features designed to enhance overall security posture. These include features like two-factor authentication, password strength monitoring, and detailed activity logs, providing a holistic approach to protecting your digital assets. Furthermore, Passbolt offers both cloud-based and self-hosted deployment options, giving users the flexibility to choose the solution that best aligns with their infrastructure and security preferences. If you're seeking a secure, collaborative, and transparent password management solution, explore the possibilities offered by Passbolt at passbolt.com.